Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some culinary influencers trivia. Which chef is known for the French Laundry? A. Thomas Keller, or B. Gordon Ramsay, or C. Emeril Lagasse, or D. Wolfgang Puck? The correct answer is A. Thomas Keller. Who authored Mastering the Art of French Cooking? A. James Beard, or B. Julia Child, or C. Martha Stewart, or D. Rachel Ray? The correct answer is B. Julia Child. What culinary figure launched Barefoot Contessa? A. Rachel Ray, or B. Ina Garten, or C. Martha Stewart, or D. Giada De Laurentiis? The correct answer is B. Ina Garten. Which chef is associated with Hell's Kitchen? A. Gordon Ramsay, or B. Wolfgang Puck, or C. Bobby Flay, or D. Emeril Lagasse? The correct answer is A. Gordon Ramsay. Who is known for the Pioneer Woman brand? A. Paula Deen, or B. Ree Drummond, or C. Martha Stewart, or D. Giada De Laurentiis? The correct answer is B. Ree Drummond. Who created the Cake Boss? A. Martha Stewart, or B. Julia Child, or C. Buddy Valastro, or D. Gordon Ramsay? The correct answer is C. Buddy Valastro. Who published Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat? A. Anthony Bourdain, or B. Ina Garten, or C. Simon Nosrat, or D. Julia Child? The correct answer is C. Simon Nosrat. What chef is known for molecular gastronomy? A. Ferran Adrià, or B. Heston Blumenthal, or C. Thomas Keller, or D. Gordon Ramsay? The correct answer is A. Ferran Adrià. Who authored The Joy of Cooking? A. Betty Crocker, or B. Martha Stewart, or C. Julia Child, Irma S. Rombauer? The correct answer is D. Irma S. Rombauer. Which chef hosts Chopped on Food Network? A. Guy Fieri, or B. Bobby Flay, or C. Ted Allen, or D. Rachel Ray? The correct answer is C. Ted Allen. Who is famous for her Italian-American recipes? A. Giada De Laurentiis, or B. Ina Garten, or C. Rachel Ray, or D. Mario Batali? The correct answer is A. Giada De Laurentiis. What chef popularized fusion cuisine? A. Wolfgang Puck, Gordon Ramsay, or C. Bobby Flay, or D. Jean-Georges Vongerichten? The correct answer is D. Jean-Georges Vongerichten. Who is known for The Naked Chef? A. Nigella Lawson, or B. Rachel Ray, or C. Gordon Ramsay, or D. Jamie Oliver? The correct answer is D. Jamie Oliver. Which chef authored Comfort Me with Apples? Alice Waters, or B. Julia Child, or C. Anthony Bourdain, or D. Ruth Reichel? The correct answer is D. Ruth Reichel. Who is recognized for teaching traditional baking? A. Julia Child, or B. Betty Crocker, or C. Rose Levy Berenbaum, or D. Martha Stewart? The correct answer is C. Rose Levy Berenbaum. Who is famous for the restaurant Babette? A. Daniel Boulud, or B. François Payard, or C. Alain Ducasse, or D. Thomas Keller? The correct answer is B. François Payard. What chef hosts Good Eats? A. Emeril Lagasse, or B. Alton Brown, or C. Bobby Flay, or D. Giada De Laurentiis? The correct answer is B. Alton Brown. Which culinary icon helped popularize veganism? A. Alice Waters, or B. Martha Stewart, or C. Chandra Moskowitz, or D. Julia Child? The correct answer is C. Isa Chandra Moskowitz. Who authored Plenty? A. Yotam Ottolenghi, or B. Ina Garten, or C. Jamie Oliver, or D. Nigella Lawson? The correct answer is A. Yotam Ottolenghi. What chef is famous for pastry at Pierre Hermé? A. Dominique Ansel, or B. Pierre Hermé, or C. Christophe Michalak, or D. Alain Ducasse? The correct answer is B. Pierre Hermé. Who is known for rustic Italian cuisine? A. Anthony Bourdain, or B. Giada de Laurentiis, or C. Marcella Hazan, or D. Lydia Bastianich? The correct answer is C. Marcella Hazan. Which influencer is famous for Food 52? A. Rachel Ray, or B. Martha Stewart, or C. Gordon Ramsay, or D. Amanda Hesser? The correct answer is D. Amanda Hesser. What culinary figure created Noma? A. Rene Redzepi, or B. Heston Blumenthal, or C. Gordon Ramsay, or D. Thomas Keller? The correct answer is A. Rene Redzepi. Which cookbook author promotes gluten-free recipes? A. Martha Stewart, or B. Ina Garten, or C. Ilana Amsterdam, or D. Julia Child? The correct answer is C. Ilana Amsterdam. Who is known for contesting on Top Chef? A. Julia Child, or B. Padma Lakshmi, or C. Gordon Ramsay, or D. Emeril Lagasse? The correct answer is B. Padma Lakshmi. What chef is linked to Feast? A. Gordon Ramsay, or B. Nigella Lawson, or C. Peter Gordon, or D. Jamie Oliver? The correct answer is C. Peter Gordon. Who is famous for contemporary Japanese cuisine? A. Iron Chef, or B. Masaharu Morimoto, or C. Jiro Ono, or D. Nobu Matsuhisa? The correct answer is B. Masaharu Morimoto. What chef hosts In Search of Food? A. Gordon Ramsay, or B. Emeril Lagasse, or C. Rachel Ray, or D. Bob Bloomer? The correct answer is D. Bob Bloomer. Who created Smitten Kitchen blog? A. Ree Drummond, or B. Deb Perelman, or C. Julia Child, or D. Martha Stewart? The correct answer is B. Deb Perelman. What chef is renowned for cooking with fire? A. Thomas Keller, or B. Gordon Ramsay, or C. April Bloomfield, or D. Wolfgang Puck? The correct answer is C. April Bloomfield. Who authored The Food Lab? A. Julia Child, or B. Thomas Keller, or C. J. Kenji Lopez Alt, or D. Emeril Lagasse? The correct answer is C. Kenji Lopez Alt. Which culinary influencer wrote The Flavor Bible? A. Karen Page, or B. Anthony Bourdain, or C. Ina Garten, or D. Gordon Ramsay? The correct answer is A. Karen Page. What personality focuses on meat preservation? Gordon Ramsay, or B. Julia Child, or C. Adam Savage, or D. Brad Leone? The correct answer is D. Brad Leone. Which chef hosts Top Chef Masters? A. Gordon Ramsay, or B. Emeril Lagasse, or C. Wolfgang Puck, or D. Curtis Stone? The correct answer is D. Curtis Stone. Who is known for travels in no reservations? A. Andrew Zimmern, or B. Gordon Ramsay, or C. Anthony Bourdain, or D. Guy Fieri? The correct answer is C. Anthony Bourdain. What influential chef authored Adventures in Cooking? A. Emeril Lagasse, or B. Zoe Francois, or C. Gordon Ramsay, or D. Julia Child? The correct answer is B. Zoe Francois. Who created Milk Bar? A. David Chang, or B. Christina Tosi, or C. Ina Garten, or D. Rachel Ray? The correct answer is B. Christina Tosi. What chef is associated with Del Posto? A. Mark Ladner, B. Mario Batili, or C. Thomas Keller, or D. Alain Ducasse? The correct answer is A. Mark Ladner. Who authored The Pastry Queen? A. Rebecca Riley, or B. Ina Garten, or C. Paula Deen, or D. Martha Stewart? The correct answer is A. Rebecca Riley. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.